Alright. There goes. Can you hear it? There's trees right over there breaking left and right. I've heard about 6 in the last 2 minutes. Go. Then there's one went over here and it knocked the power out for a second. I think it blew the transformer on this house in the center over here because they still ain't got power. I'll move my vehicles over a little bit, make the truck guard the car, of course. But then I heard a couple of trees over that way break. Crazy. There goes another one. I can't hear it good because of the wind. Let's see if I can fix something up here. Try to. Let's see. I don't know if that'll help me, but I kind of tucked the microphone cord into my jacket. Oh, there goes another one. Let's see if I can get over here. Yeah, it's left and right trees falling over there. Oh, there goes power again. Another one must have hit a line. It's absolutely wreaking havoc in them woods.
It's flicker again, Cheyenne said?
Yeah. Did you not keep hearing trees? It's ripping trees down left and right.
There's a tree sideways over here.
What, out in the yard? Oh, yeah. See it right there? It's fell. It's caught up in them too. Oh. I'm trying to get out of the wind so that I can video and they can hear it. Here.
Whoa, dude.
Chill out, honey.
All this. I'm scared.
Well, go in the house.
Huh?
It's all good. Go in the house if you want to.
I'm scared about all the other stuff around us.
It's just wind. It ain't no tornado or nothing.
It's the same thing. And do just as much damage.
It can, but it's just knocking trees over. It'll knock that tree over into the yard. It ain't gonna do nothing.
What doing?
That one,
Oh, so
if
now
it
you're
does.
saying it can do that.
If it does, it'll go straight out in the yard.
I'll bring him back and tell her about that dude.
Women, they worry too much. All right.
This sounds like a metal, like a tin roof.
Calm down for a minute, so. Okay, so the initial, when the power flickered, all them people, all them houses are out of power. Some of them are. And half of this place is, these apartments. But the transformer that exploded was right there. That's crazy. The way they got it laid out through here, because the way the power wraps through this place is just ridiculous. There goes. That was metal banging. Yeah, you're right.
Well, I'm just scared.
It blew the roof off somebody. I thought that was a tree for a minute, but that was metal banging that time. Just blew a strip of somebody's roof off or something. You know it?
Huh?
Just blew a strip of somebody's roof off over into the woods.